Yes, this is the symbol of our spirit. This is the symbol of our generation Z, generation Gen Z. You know, people have come here spontaneously. People have jumped, and they have come here with their goods, whatever they have. They have come here with clothes, with cash money, and they jumped. They jumped here to support the nation. And now this TSC, from where the revolution intensified, from where the revolution got double, from this TSC again people have come here to support the flood affected people. And now you see, we are united. If we are united, this nation cannot be broken. If you know, unity is a strength. So I request to my friends, I request all of us to come forward in this critical time. If you come forward, obviously we can overcome. As we got our victory through many lives, through many tragic death, through many sacrifice, we got our second freedom. So we cannot be defeated. We are united. As long as we are united, we cannot be defeated. We are one nation, and this is the symbol of our spirit. And Bengali nation will be the symbol to the world, and we will be the iconic image to the world, and the world will support us. The world will say, bravo, we have done great, we have gained our victory. And this is the students for what we got our victory. Students are the root of our energy, and we are united. So the students who fought against discrimination, again they want reformation of quota movement, now they are forming government. So we are the students who will won the world. One day we will overcome this whole world. We will win the universe. So I request my friends and my junior, my seniors, and all my beloved sir and my beloved colleagues, or from all class of people, please, if you come forward in this critical time, we can overcome, and the destitute time will vanish. So you know, people have come here. 1,000 million people are spontaneously participating and attending here, and they are donating whatever they have. So from by little, this can be a big size. This can be a big amount. So we are united. Obviously, Bengali nation will be united, and nothing can defeat us. Nothing can down us. The autocracy falls down. The autocracy vanishes. So it is the time to gain our to be united. We will ordain our country. We will again modify our country, and we will be united, inshallah. And this tragedy will vanish. This destitute time will disappear, inshallah. So thank you.